Rain is headed our way, but how bad will it be? Meteorologist Tammie Souza has the answer. Hey, Tammie.
Well, hello, Alicia. Look down, because at the bottom of the screen it says Storm Watch, and that's for tomorrow. We've issued an alert day tomorrow. Today we could see some showers here and there, maybe even an isolated thunderstorm. Not a total washout today, but carry the umbrella just in case. It's tomorrow we really have to focus on. Right now we are looking at wind that is basically coming offshore. Now, places like Cape May are going to be a little chillier today because you're still going to get the effect of the ocean water, but the rest of the shore should get quite mild, up close to 80 degrees in some spots. The ocean water right now 71 degrees, low 70s down the shore still. That is the warm spot. We get to Philadelphia 72, and up into Lehigh Valley you're talking about 67 in Allentown. And even cooler, Mount Pocono at 65. We won't climb a whole lot more today. We'll make it to 76 in Philadelphia. Here are the rain chances, and they just sort of build as we come into about the early mid-afternoon, and then they taper off. We do have shower activity on the way, and the temperatures will taper off, but still be mild tomorrow. We're going to wake up in the mid-60s once again. So here is that rain that is on the way, and this is a disturbance that is kind of coming out of a trough, a dip in the jet stream. The whole thing is moving through. The trough, the disturbance, all of it moving overhead. We do have cloud cover now across the area. You can see we did have a few peaks of sunshine earlier, so now we're going to end up mostly cloudy. Let's take a look at who's getting the rain. Lancaster, a few breaks in the rain there, headed toward Reading, some light showers. We do have some showers making their way out of Chester County, Charlestown. This is going to be headed into Montgomery County toward Norristown. We're also going to drop south and look at the showers that are now moving through Red Lion. So these are south of Newark, and we're going to see them moving across the bay, and we are going to look at them moving into parts of South Jersey. Now, the dark shades of green, that is where we're seeing some light showers actually hitting the ground. Here is that disturbance. All of it, it has to push through the area. But again, this isn't going to be a complete washout. Some of this dodges north, and some of this just breaks apart. Behind it will be fairly quiet as we head into the evening hours. So this is what happens. The showers make their way across the area about 1 o'clock, still hanging on to a few showers in Philadelphia and South Jersey. Then by 4:30, things quiet down. This evening, we're fairly quiet. I think we hold on to more cloud cover than this forecast model is showing you, though. This is 10 o'clock. Tomorrow, we wake up to clouds. If we get a lot of storm activity in the morning, it'll help to stabilize the atmosphere. We do have some storms that could move through, especially South Jersey and right along the I-95 corridor. Then a bit of a break. So the first storms are pre-dawn, then a break, then more activity between about 7 and 10, then another break, and then storms that could be stronger moving through about 11 to 2, and then things start to quiet down later in the afternoon with just some isolated storms. If we get some clearing and the atmosphere doesn't stabilize, we're expecting to see some severe storms. If the morning storms stabilize things, not so much. We go into Monday, maybe a few morning showers, and then things clear out in the afternoon. So tomorrow we have an alert day for scattered storms, the risk that some of them could turn severe. The severe threats would be wind damage, flooding rains, and yes, an isolated tornado out there, intense lightning as well. So have a safety plan, know what you want to do in case we see severe storms tomorrow. Prep your children and have a plan to get inside. The rain, as far as it comes in, I don't want you to fixate on where this is, but anywhere under a thunderstorm could see 2 to 3 inches of rain. The rest of the area about a ½ inch to an inch. So 76 today, 80 tomorrow, eyes to the sky tomorrow, and then a very warm start next week in the mid to upper 80s. We end the week with showers and storms. Alicia.
Thanks, Tammie.